Hello again. Welcome to our first session of mathematics for week 2. In this session, we are looking at addition without regrouping. This lesson can be found on page 19 of your workbooklets for Wednesday. Number 1. We have 540 plus 130. Again, always include your operation sign so that you know exactly what you have to do, what they are asking you to do for the sum. We have our ones, tens, and hundreds column. So which column would you start with? You are absolutely correct, your ones column. So 0 add 0 gives you 0. When the actions in this column are completed, you move on to your tens column. 4 add 3 equals 7. You move again to the left when you have completed everything to your hundreds column, where we have 5 add 1. 5 add 1 is 6. So our answer is 670. The second question, 206 add 180. As you've guessed, we start with our ones column. And as a recap, we see that 6 adds 0 is there, and when 0 adds any number, you get back the same number. So 6 adds 0 is equal to 6. When these actions are complete, you move on to the left to your next column, your tens column, where we have 0 add 8, and using the same rule, 0 add 8 equals 8. Because 0 add any number gives you back the same number. We move along to our hundreds column, where we have 2 add 1, which gives us 386. Number 3, we have 337 add 150. So you would notice so far I have ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. Keep your work nice and neat. We start off as always with our ones column. So we have 7 add 0, or 0 add 7, and 0 adding any number gives you back the same number. So 7 add 0 equals 7. Then we move on to our tens column, where we have 3 plus 5, which gives us 8. When these operations are complete, you move on to your final column, your hundreds column, where you have 3 add 1, which gives us 4. 487. We are moving on to number 4. 250 add 146. As always, we start with our ones column. 0 add 6 is 6, because 0 adding any number gives you back the same number. We're going to our tens column. 5 add 4. 5 add 4 is 9. When these operations are complete, you head to your last column, your hundreds column, where you have 2 add 1, which gives us 3. Our answer is 396.
Number 5,
We have 154, add 235. We start with our ones column and we're keeping it nice and neat. 4 add 5 is 9. When we're finished, we move on to our tens column, where we have 5 tens add 3 tens. 5 add 3 is 8. When this is complete, we go to our hundreds column with 1 add 2. 1 add 2 equals 3. We got 389. And the last one, we have 321 plus 172. We start with our ones column. 1 add 2 gives us 3. When this is complete, there's nothing else to do. We go to our next column. Our tens column. 2 add 7 or 7 add 2. Either way, we get 9. Next, we move to the left again to our hundreds column, where we have 3 add 1. 3 add 1 gives us 4. So we have 493. Remember, always keep your work nice and neat. Keep your digits under the correct column. Always show all working. And remember to start from your ones column and move left every time you complete your actions. So until next time, have fun adding.